Hi guys, my name is Suraj Kumar, and today in this video we're going to see list, tables and display. So let's go into video. So in the list, so this is the list in CSS. So I have already explained what is the list and what is the use of list in HTML and CSS in a previous video, in previous HTML series. So I'll give the link in description, you can go and see it now. So in that video we have seen only list style type and its values. So now we're going to see four types of properties here: list, style type, position and image. So now let I show you the code. So I have already typed the skeleton of HTML. Now let us type the list. I'll type plus ul. So ul lis1 lis2 and three, sorry, three. So now I'll put a style tag. So style tag and ul dot one. Sorry, ul dot one. So now I will display list style type as circle. So class 1. So now I'll show you output. So guys, so now this is the output. So here the bullet points will be a circle. So now let us see next one. So ul dot 2. So list style type as so disk. So disk is a default one. So now just I am displaying this, and I will take the class, remove the class 1. So now we can see the bullet points as disk. Now I'll type it as just 2, class 2. So now class 2 is list style type as disk. So the default one is a disk. So default list style type is disk. So when we type a list style type disk, it will display the default one. So ul dot 3. So list style type as lower alpha. So now I will show you output. So in Roman, so sorry, it will display in a small alphabetical letters. So ul dot four. So list style type upper alpha. So upper alpha means it will display capital alphabets. So this is the upper alpha, and this is lower alpha, and this is default one disk, and this is circle. This still type of circle. So if you want in numbers, so ul dot five. So list style type as so if you want in numbers, we can set in decimal. So ul dot 5. So this is the numbers. So if you want the numbers with starting 0, then you can type then we can give it as ul dot so ul dot 6 as so list style type as decimal leading 0. So now it will display like the starting as 01, 02 and 03. So next we see list style type position. So ul dot seven as list style type position. Sorry. So position means inside. So position outside. So outside is a default one. So position default one. So the outside the list style type position outside means this bulletin point will be displayed outside the before the before the starting of 1. So if you put list style type inside, the bulletin point will start here, will move here and start with 1. I will display you the output. So ul dot ht8 and list style type position. So position as outside, inside. So now you can see the difference. This is position outside and this is position inside. So position outside is a default one, and position inside means the bulletin point will be starting from the list list where the word is 1. So now let us see the list type image, list style as image. Dot 999. So not none. URL as so 1.png. So the image will be very big. So if you want to use a small size image, you can download a small size image and use it. Now I will show you output. So this is the output. So instead of inserting a bullet point, it will insert an image. So the image cannot be resized in this list style as image. So you need to choose a small size of image which will be suited in a bullet list. So next we are going to see CSS3 tables. So tables also I have explained in a previous HTML session. So I will give the link now, link in the description. You can go and watch it now. So I am going to explain how the tables are designed in CSS. So the properties in tables are border, width and height, alignment and padding. So now I'll show you the outputs. And so guys, now you can see the HTML skeleton. So this meta name viewport will be used to make the table responsive. So I'm going to tell how to make the table responsive also in CSS. So now let us put as table t head tr th as name. So th means table heading, email, and age. tr and td as Suraj, and email as sk123ng and gmail.com, and td is 20. Now let's just copy it and display 3 times. So now I'll show you output now. So this is the output. There will be no borders. So now we can see the table borders. Style we'll put table as border, 1 pixel, so one pixel, solid BLACK black. Now I'll show you the output. So this is the border, and you want a border inside the tables and divide as row and columns. Now you can choose as table th and td. So now you can see this. Now it is divided as row and column. So you can see the double quotes, so double lines. To remove the double lines, you can choose border. So border collapses collapse. So now you can see the single borders. So now let us see the width of the border, width and height of the border, a table. So width of the table should be 100%. So now you can see the table is extended to fill the space. So now let us see the height and width and height. So now we can see on the width, and we can see the height now. So height as 50 pixel. So now you can see that height is displayed at 50 pixel. So each of the rows and columns will be height. Columns will be height as 50 pixel. So next you can see alignment. So next you will see alignment. So th comma td. So text. So text align. So something error it has. So text align as left is the default. Now we'll display in a right. So all will go to right, and if you want to display in the center, you can display in the center also. And all will be displayed in the center, and left will be as common. Now we want to display it in a bottom. So vertical line as bottom. So we want to display in a bottom, then you should remove this text line as center. So it will be displayed in a bottom. So now let us see the styles. So let us see the padding. So just remove it and see the output. So all will be like this, and if you want the padding for this, and set the padding for this now, and padding should be 20 pixel. So it will be displayed like this. So this is the padding, and next we are going to see as styles in a table. So what can we style in a table? So we are going to now display border bottom only. Border bottom as 1 pixel. SYLD solid black. Sorry, it should come here. And we should remove it. So now you can see the border bottom as 1 pixel. Now we can design in a hover. So TR hover as background color blue. So now you can see the hover. So now you can display in a strip. So I'll show you what is stripped. So TR so nth child as even. I will display as background color. Background color is violet. So now you can see the even is displayed in a pink color. Now I will display it in a odd. It will be displayed like this. So next we will see how to make responsive, how to make the table responsive. So let us make this assembly line. Sorry. Okay, I just put div style as overflow access auto. So now we'll go to inspect element. So this is the so now you can so now you can see the table is responsive. So this is the table. This is the way how to make the table responsive. I'll show you the code. So to make the table responsive, we should use as overflow x. So next we are going to see what is a display. So next we are going to see what is a display and display properties. So I'm going to h1. I am from Madurai and display it as 3 and display it in 3 times. So now I'm going to put a style tag and h1 so dot h1 as now I'm going to display as and display as and I'm going to display it now. Sorry, first we will see the output now. So now this is the output. So if I put as display none, this will be removed and this too will go up now. I will show you the output. I will show you the code. So class h1. So now you can see this very clearly. So now I'll put this visibility hidden. So this will not be removed. This will be removed from our vision. Sorry, not vision. This will not be visible to us, but there is hidden element. So this element will not go up. I will show you the code. Dot h1. So visibility hidden. So class is h2. So now you can see that it is hidden from our vision. So this is hidden from our vision. So now we'll show you what is display block and display inline. So dot li display block is a default one. So this can be used in a side navigation. So this is a default one. Now I will show you how to display in a inline. Display inline. So now you can see this inline and this is a block. So if you like this video, share it to your friends and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for notifications. So I have put this details in the Telegram channel and the link is given below. You can go and join it now. Thank you.